In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best miter saw blades in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which miter saw blades is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Norske Tools Thin-Kerf Saw. Enhanced for cordless cutting and also optimum battery efficiency, more cuts per charge. Features an ultra-thin kerf layout needing much less horsepower, as well as lowered stock loss. C3 mini grain carbide maintains the reducing edge sharper for longer time periods. Solidified steel alloy body HRC40 to make certain directly, precise cuts in a range of materials. 10 to 15 degree hook angle, 5/8" bore. Concentrated on precision, performance, and advancement, Norske makes PTAs for experts that require ultimate precision and also maximum performance. All Norske items are crafted with mindful factors to consider what professionals require to be at the absolute top of their video game and make each project much better than the one prior to it. Norske is dedicated to delivering a consistent stream of advanced options for all experts that supply boosted productivity as well as unequaled durability. Norske devises ultra-thin kerf saw blade is designed for rapid as well as clean cuts on dimensional lumber as well as plywoods. Here is the item number 4, Evolution Power Tools Blade. Puncture steel, lightweight aluminum, wood, and plastic. No coolant required. Produce basically no warm, burrs, or sparks. 10-inch multi-purpose blade. Created for reducing moderate steel, lightweight aluminum, copper, wood with nails, plastics, and so on. The item number 3, Whirlwind USA MGSB miter. Premium quality and also expert grade for ripping as well as cross-cutting of thick hardwood to 3-1, 2-inch thick and also softwood to 1 thick. The blades can be utilized on round saws, table saws, miter saws, hand saws as well as cut saws. Ideal for cutting hardwood, softwood, exotic timber, and unpleasant wood. Slim kerf allows a smooth completion with minimal waste. A reduced hood angle boosts the surface quality of the cut, as well as boosts the feed stress. 1.2 mm thin kerf layout. 5/8" arbor. Top quality and also specialist grade for ripping, as well as cross-cutting of thick hardwood to 3-1, 2-inch thick and also softwood to 1 thick. The blades can be utilized on round saws, table saws, miter saws, hand saws, and cut saws. Perfect for reducing wood, softwood, unique wood, and rough wood. Slim kerf allows a smooth finish with minimum waste. The lower hood angle boosts the surface area quality of the cut and raises the feed pressure. 1.8 mm slim kerf design. 1-inch arbor, founded in 1979 as a collaboration of the Hwangha team, ALMT Osaka Ruby Japan, Study Institute of Abrasives and Grinding, and also 23 subsidiary companies. Number 2 in our list, Luckyway 2-pack 10-inch miter. Dimensions includes 1 PC 10*5, 8*32T, and 1 PC 10*5, 8*60T TCT circular saw blade. Applications suitable for cross-cutting softwood, hardwood, plywood, chipboard, multiboard, panels, MDF, layered and counted plated panels, laminated and bilaminate plastic, and also FRP. Supplying a high level of surface side. The blades also can rip cut along the grain. Product: fully solidified steel blade body, delivers accuracy and also stands up to flexing and also deflection for real cuts. Functions: includes an ATB alternating leading bevel counter tooth layout. The angle of the tooth scores the surface of the timber before the cut, cleanly reducing the wood fibers prior to the following teeth, eliminating the chip. This offers a much smoother cut, with much less opportunity of splintering the surface of the wood. Tungsten carbide teeth provide excellent wear as well as warmth resistance. The positive reducing angle provides fast as well as efficient removal of chips and swarf. Incorporates an ATB counter tooth layout. The angle of the tooth ratings the surface area of the wood in advance of the cut, cleanly cutting the timber fibers prior to the following teeth, removing the chip. The top one in our list, CRAFTSMAN 10-inch miter saw. Resilience: induction brazed carbide pointers of 10-inch miter saw blade are produced sturdiness and also lengthy life. Say goodbye to warping. Heat-treated plate removes bending. Precise cuts: accuracy, ground teeth for smooth, accurate cuts. Corrosion resistant, deterioration immune coating made to prevent corrosion. 10-inch 24T framing or ripping saw blade, and also 10-inch 60T fine finish saw blade are fantastic worth for an economic situation blade. Induction brazed carbide teeth give longevity as well as long life, while precision grinding creates smooth, accurate cuts. The steel plate is heat treated to lower bending, and after that, a deterioration immune finish is added to prevent rust. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best miter saw blades amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.